All right, so you just finished your Works Cited page for MLA and you want to make sure you did it right? You've come to the right place. Okay, you ready to begin? Cool. First things first, let's look at the basics. Your Works Cited page should start on a new page of your paper. Your header should be in the upper right-hand corner. That's your last name and the page number. And you should have the words Works Cited centered above your list. Let's see how I did. Okay, looks like I'm on a new page, page 4. I've got my last name here, Ryder. And then I also have Works Cited centered, looking good. Notice, it's not bold, it's not underlined, it's not bigger, it's not pretty or fancy. It just says Works Cited. That's what MLA wants. Okay, next step. Let's look at some details. I should be double spaced and my margin should be 1 inch all the way around. Well, you could just look at it. Clearly it's double spaced, and those margins are 1 inch. MLA standard is 1 inch all the way around, so I'm good there. All right, what's next? Oh, all right, well now I have to think about my alphabet. MLA wants you to alphabetize your sources by the author's last name. If you don't have an author, then you alphabetize by the title. And when you are alphabetizing by the title, you ignore 3 words, the, a, and an. So anything that starts with the doesn't go under T, it goes under whatever the next word is. And a and an work the same way. So let's see how I did. G, H, R, S. I know my alphabet. Cool. All right. Last little minute things. Look at my edges. How are my margins? And did I do the hanging indent? Well, all right, looks good. I'm left aligned here. So only my author's names are all the way over on the margin. And then, look, my hanging indent is perfect. I've indented each one. Almost there. Now, look at your page. Do you have any extra stuff? Do you have like bullet points or numbers or any weirdness, any sections or underlines or anything? You shouldn't. It should look kind of like this one, where it's just alphabetical order, and that is all. And if you made it this far, you are done. That's it for MLA. Nicely done.